Hi, I'm about to show you guys exactly what my family of 4 needs. So every time I go to the grocery store, I have to buy these 10 items or else that house is literally gonna be in shambles.
Future me is editing and I completely forgot to tell you. We are prioritizing healthy eating and high protein. Also, if I say Omar, I'm talking about my son who's 3 years old. Keep watching.
What is your must-buy grocery item every single week? I've got my trusted carry-on.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And y'all about to be sick of me because I wear this pretty much everywhere I go because my little girl is so clingy, Velcro baby to the core. So I'm literally always carrying her everywhere if I want a peace of mind. So grocery store does not see me without my little carry-on. You're so fine. You're fine. Damn. Embarrassing me. You won't catch me doing 2 rounds. Absolutely not. We got all 3 bags here.
I do like to go grocery shopping on Fridays because Omar's in daycare and it's like right before the weekend, because I would usually go on the weekend, but I'm like having both kids in the house on the weekend. I want to do stuff with them instead of like going grocery shopping. So I do like doing it on Fridays. So that's a pro tip. Do your groceries during the week when you don't have the kids around you. And then now I'm going to show you exactly 10 items that we must buy. I have to buy it every single week. My husband hates to go grocery shopping. I have to get these items every single week or else it's going to be havoc in this house. Like there will be no peace in this house if we do not have these items. Item number 1 is strictly for my husband. So it's these muscle milk protein drinks. He loves these things because it gives him the protein that he needs. He's a gym goer, so he's always looking for ways that he can get extra protein in. Yogurt. So we all like different types of yogurt. These ones are specifically meant for my husband. For Omar, we have these ones, these Oigo ones. Really good for the kids because it's just a bottle, they could open it and then drink it. And then for myself, I like these ones because they also add a little bit of extra protein compared to the normal yogurt, so I do like that. And then also Omar likes to steal these from me, so this is basically for both me and Omar. We have to get this juice right here, 60 calories for a cup. And the normal juices have so much sugar, and these ones have like half the amount of sugar, which is why it's like so low in calories. So we like to get this. I don't feel guilty when I give it to Omar, but I still mix it with water when I give it to Omar. I have to buy this protein milk. This is specifically for me because this is how I get my extra little bit of protein in throughout the day. Obviously I eat my protein, but this is the best way you can drink your protein when you're eating. I don't even know, like if I'm making tea, I love to use this milk. I usually get the 0 fat one, and it's literally 130 calories for 1 cup, and for 1 cup you get 20 grams of protein. That's pretty good if you ask me. Is cucumber a fruit or a vegetable? Because I don't want to, okay, whatever. This is like the only fruit, the only vegetable that Omar would eat. Literally the only vegetable. He also likes broccoli, but I gotta kind of encourage him. But we're so bad at eating vegetables, hence why he's also pretty bad at eating vegetables. But I always make sure I have cucumber on deck because he will eat these, no questions. And then obviously we love fruit in this house. So this week we got strawberries, cantaloupe. We always have to get bananas. Every week we always buy bananas. It's watermelon season, I think, still, so we always have to get a watermelon. These packets of bell peppers are such a steal, and obviously we make pepper like every single week for the jollof rice or like jollof spag. So I always buy these every single week, and if we have extra, it's fine. I chop it up and then I put it in the freezer. Saves a lot of time. We usually get salmon, but this week they didn't have any good salmon that was well priced. So I got these bassa steaks, and I love these bassa steaks. And these are probably like the only fish that my husband would eat without complaining, because the salmon, he always says that they smell so strong, like they have a very strong fish smell. But these ones, he gladly eats them. So I stocked up on these. I got like 5 of these. Got a lot of bassa here. Like I mentioned, we barely eat vegetables in this house, which is very bad. So we actually found a salad that we all like, and literally all of us like it except for Omar. So we bought this salad. I buy it every single week. Every time I make it, it's done within a day or 2. So this is definitely a need for this household to get our greens in. Potatoes. We need to have potatoes in this house every single week. 2 to 3 days a week, I make potatoes. So it's a staple for the house. Anyways, like I was saying before my camera shut off on me, potatoes are really good to have just to kind of switch up with the whole rice pasta. Like, it's really good to switch up, and you're not just like eating rice every single week, and you actually have potatoes to kind of switch around your meals with. So I love my potatoes. If your toddler loves to be in the kitchen, definitely watch the video of me cooking with my toddler. I have an appointment to go to, so I'm gonna go, but I need you guys to write down 1 food item that you literally cannot live without and you need every single week. Bye.